All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on a drum beat at 80 beats per minute. I'm just going to go over some very fundamental exercises for you to work on while you're strumming. So we're going to start with what's called whole note strumming. So a whole note is any note or strum that you hit just one time and then it lasts for 4 beats. Most music is in what we call 4/4 time. That means we're counting to 4 beats per measure or one section of music. So 4 beats per measure, 4 quarter note beats per measure is 4/4 time. And I'm going to strum whole notes, and I'm doing that at 80 beats per minute. All right, here we go. So beats 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. All right, so that was whole note strumming with the E minor chord. Very, very simple, very fundamental. But if we can count the beat and strum our chords, that's the foundation of being able to play even more complicated stuff. Typically, what we do as guitar players is we bypass all these fundamentals and go straight to learning songs, which is great. It's the same thing I did. But I had to go back then and learn more fundamentals. You know, I started out with a teacher that gave me fundamentals, and I was in a hurry to learn how to play Smoke on the Water and Iron Man and all the cool stuff back when I was a kid, which I learned. And then I had to go back and learn fundamentals. I like to start you with fundamentals. All right. I'm going to do it again, whole notes with E minor. By the way, on this drum track, you'll notice that the beats are on the screen. It's got a measure counter in the left-hand corner, and it keeps the beats on the screen for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. All right, those were whole notes. That is whole note strumming with E minor. I'm playing E minor with fingers 2 and 3. You could also play it with fingers 1 and 2. It depends on which chord you're going to after you leave the E minor chord. All right, now I'm going to go to half notes. So if whole notes last for 4 beats, half notes last for 2. Each measure has 4 beats, so that means I'm going to strum on beats 1 and 3. Half notes with E minor. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, those are half notes with E minor chord, 80 beats per minute. So a whole note lasts for 4 beats. A half note lasts for 2 beats. Now we're going to do quarter notes. So quarter notes just last for 1 beat. And that means then if we have 4 beats in a measure, we're going to play 4 quarter note beats. We're going to strum every one of those. Again, 80 beats per minute, E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter notes. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are quarter notes with E minor. All right. So something interesting that you'll want to pay attention to as you learn how to play music and play guitar, you'll also notice how the guitar relates to the other instruments, and in this case, how it relates to the drums. So beats 1 and 3 are where they're playing the kick drum, the big drum on the ground, the big kick drum. And beats 2 and 4 typically are where they're playing the snare drum up top. So we're strumming when we're doing half notes on 1 and 3, on those kick drum beats, sometimes called the down beat. The strongest beat in every measure is the first beat. So whole notes is what? That's why we start on beat 1. Quarter notes, we're strumming all 4. So just in summary today, you're playing in time, whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, 80 beats per minute. And we just did 1 chord, the E minor chord. Have fun with that. That's a very good fundamental lesson. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.